trust. Got your back no matter what, even when push comes to shove. I'm talking real love. It ain't something that you can touch, cause it's a gift sent from up above. It's for the sake of Allah. We can all think back on the people we love, everything that they've done for the sake of Allah. From the smiles they give, for the sacrifice they make. We may not always meet, but when we do, it's for His sake. They remind you of the truth of this world. They will keep your secrets. They give you their word. They will help you up when you falling down. For the sake of Allah, they will always be around. I'm talking real love. It's for the people you can trust. Got your back no matter what, even when push comes to shove. I'm talking real love. It ain't something that you can touch, cause it's a gift sent from up above. It's for the sake of Allah. Hey, for my hoyo and my abo, yeah, and my wifey and my sisters, and my brothers and my updi, yeah, and my aunties know I miss ya. Hey, any day could be my last, so I spread love, you ain't even gotta ask. Instead of hating on ya, no, I'm making dua for ya. Oh Allah, make us love each other only for ya, yeah, cause I'm your brother in Islam. Everything I got, give it to you from my hands. I'm happy when you're happy and I'm mad when you're sad, cause we are one body on any given land.